you can do with faux rice paper. A few people have asked me, what can you do with faux rice paper? Well, let me show you what you can do. So one of the things that I've done with faux rice paper is I've used it for the background for a greeting card. So this is probably the easiest thing that you can do. And of course you can decorate this in many different ways. Next thing that I did with faux rice paper is I did this like double fold out in one of my signatures, like the center part of a signature. So this just folds out and kind of show off this cute little page right here. Just fold it up like that. And then I made a pocket as well. And it's nice because you can see through it and it gives your work some texture. And here's the center part of that. And then also on this side, fold it out. This is also a pocket. All right. Another thing that I've done is I made it into a cover for this little notepad. It just flips up. I happen to attach this notepad onto a page here. This is a notepad, and then I took some of that faux rice paper and took some washi tape and used some packaging from something from Tim Holtz. I think it was paper dolls. I don't remember exactly. And then, of course, I decorated that up. And then on this side, now this is just a little teeny piece. You can't probably see it too well. But I made this little tuck spot, little cluster tuck spot. And I just put a little bit just to give this butterfly a little bit more dimension. So it stick up a little and just to give a little texture to this particular page. And here, these are just journaling cards that I've just simply tucked. And then this isn't exactly faux rice paper, but similar, same exact process, but instead of using tissue paper, I use some packaging paper that you get from something you might order from Amazon. Same thing, glue on both sides. I stamped this paper and then I put the colored glue with glitter on this. If you haven't seen me make faux rice paper, I will leave the link with this video so you can see how to do that. And then what else did I do with it? And I did about 10 things, I think. More of that. Of course, now that I'm trying to find it, I did this fold out. I haven't finished it yet, but that's another thing that you can do. I also made these in another video. If you're curious, I'll leave the link to that one as well. So there's that one. Let's see. 2, if you want to call that 2. I'm trying to remember everything. Oh, yeah, I made another pocket with this. And then I made a little envelope. And that turned out really well. And I put a tag in there. You put anything in there. You could put a journaling card or whatever. But I like it because it's still see-through. It kind of gives a little extra pizzazz to whatever you're tucking in to that tuck spot. And I just add that little embellishment to the flip. To the flap. Oh my goodness. I showed you that one and this one. This. I mean, you could even take some of that faux rice paper and put it in the background of something like this type of cluster if you wanted to. And we did the card. And then over here I've done a couple things too as well. This I just use a napkin that I did. It's like the second sheet of a skeleton napkin. And then here's the other side. I know there's not much to it, but it's a little bit of that skeleton napkin again. You can't see too much there, but it gave this sheet here some texture, some interest. You kind of use it like you do, oh, what do you call that? Oh my gosh, my brain just went blank. that see-through paper. I can't even think what it's called right now. And then I use a little bit for collaging, just to show you that you can use it in collaging as well, just to give something texture. And then I also took the first side of that napkin, and I just use it to give this sheet some texture, some interest, because you can still decorate that more. And then I use one of my stopwatches as a bookmark here. I thought this page looks a little on the spooky side. Getting close to Halloween around here. Well, it's September. At the end of September here. I think, did I do anything else in this book? This is my experimental book. Experimental journal. So some of the papers don't go with it too well. Some do. But anyway, I just want to show you real quickly some uses that I've done with some full rice paper. See ya. This is Lori again, the Crafter of the Mitten. Bye.